Hi, my name is Latoinette, and I make lifestyle videos about things I learned that I hope will make your life a little easier or a little more fun. Welcome to my channel. This video is about how to make custom stationery greeting cards when you need a gift really quickly. If you like videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe. You'll only need cardstock, a paper cutter, and a computer. Technically, I guess you could use your phone instead. I went to Canva and made a document that was 5 inches wide and 8 inches long. Then I just spent some time to make a design I liked. At some point I realized that if you want the design to be facing the right way when the card is closed, you have to print the design upside down. After that, I just used my paper cutter to cut them out. I printed several of each of these designs and paired each one with an envelope. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope your day has been and will continue to be as wonderful as you are. Stay amazing. Bye!